Hi, today in this video I am going to show you how you can create your Instagram account. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application and click on create new account in the bottom. Once you done that, this page will open and here you can see an option to add your mobile number. So I'm going to use sign up with email and here you need to add your email address. So I'm going to add my email address here. Then you need to click on next and here you receive a confirmation code that you need to enter here. Now I am going to add my confirmation code here. Then you need to click on next and here you need to create your password. So I'm going to create my password here. Then you need to click on next. And if you want, you can save your login information. So I do not want to do right now. So then you need to click on not now. Here you need to add your date of birth. So I'm going to add my date of birth here. Once you complete that step, then you need to click on next. Here you need to add your full name. So I'm going to add my full name here. Then you need to click on next here. And if you want, you can change your username here. Now I am going to add my username here. Then you need to click on next. Then you need to click on I agree. On this step, you need to add your profile picture. You can add profile picture from your smartphone. Click on add picture and you can easily add any picture. Here you can see the option choose from gallery or take photo. So I want to take a photo. So let me take a random photo. Click on this tick mark and click on done. If you want, you can share this profile picture as post as well. And now you can see that I am on my Instagram. Then you need to click on next again. If you want, you can allow your contact. So I do not want to allow. Here you can see that get Facebook suggestions. So I want to skip this step, for example, now. And if you want, you can share profile. I want to skip this step again. And now you can see that I am on my Instagram profile. So this is the complete method how you can create your Instagram account. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you. Have a good day.